In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add custom resource packs to Minecraft servers Aternos. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Aternos has an option that allows anyone to use a custom resource pack when they join a server. So all that you have to do is go over to the options. So at the left side of the screen, click options on Aternos. And now you will see various different properties about the server. The one that you are looking for is located here, resource pack required. By default, this will be disabled. So the very first thing that you should do is enable this option. So this is going to make it so whenever someone joins the Eternal server, when it is being hosted, they will need to download and use this resource pack here. So now you can just add your resource pack. You can paste the link here or click on this icon to load it from your computer. So click it here and then load the resource pack. It will have to be in the zip format. You will see the icon here, and you can add multiple ones. So sadly, I only have this one downloaded on my PC, but if you had multiple, you would be able to customize them like this, and make one of them be on top as a priority. Now once this is done, you click on upload, and it's done. You can have up to 250 megabytes of resource packs, and it is going to be located here. If you ever want to remove it, you can click on this icon again, and then choose the X next to it. This will remove the resource pack from the server. Now once it is being hosted and someone joins, it is going to see which resource pack is required and download it for that person. So you don't need to set it up or send it to everyone who is going to be joining. They will automatically download it once they join, and you can download various different resource packs from places like CurseForge and other websites. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.